All right. Okay. Pepper cannon just got here.
Did you bring peppercorns up with you so you can demo it? Nice.
Obviously.
What's a pepper cannon?
You're about to find out.
I'm about to find out. Okay.
Yeah, pepper grinder.
Don't need the instruction manual. Seems to be some kind of ring for something. I'll sure figure out what that's for later.
So fancy.
Oh my god, it's so sweet.
Did it come with CD-ROM of the first
Whoa.
drivers?
Hang on, guys. This is the coolest pepper mill I've ever seen.
Oh.
People were saying it was like a lightsaber, and it legit. It's like aluminum. Holy smokes!
No.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hang
I
on.
was watching a demo of this thing compared to
We're gonna go.
pepper grinders the other day, and it's insane.
We're going as coarse as possible because why not? Wow, you really gotta tell it. All right. Holy cow, this thing spins a lot. All right, that should be enough. All right, we're gonna go pepper. All right. I just gotta figure out how to put the top back on. Oh, all right.
Button on top, right?
Okay, that's pretty fine still. What's going on? Oh, you actually have to put pepper in it to make it. Or you have to have the top on, maybe. All right. Holy shit, that's so much pepper. Dude, you see how much pepper that is? Oh, that's so satisfying. Wow. Wow. That was like all the pepper. Good lord.
All the peppercorns that you put in there?
Pretty much. Damn. This is the best thing I've ever purchased. Wow. Okay, well, that was delightful.